Today we're going to talk about the mechanical extraction unit, one of Deutsche Press's smaller extraction systems. This unit is pretty simple to operate. Basic concept is we put biomass in, we mix it with a solvent, we agitate it for a certain amount of time to do the extraction process, and then from there we're going to use a screw press to actually squeeze the solvent and oil back out of the plant material so that we can recover it in a later process. So we can kind of get closer up. The main component here is the extraction vessel. So this is the mechanical agitation system. So inside of here is different mixing components. We have an agitator that does some vigorous agitation around the plant material with the solvent. By doing that, we can release the oil from the plant into the solvent, creating that extraction part. From there, that goes down through a chute into a screw press. This is a Vincent screw press. We work with several screw press manufacturers, compare it with many. This one works great. It's just a single screw. Inside the screw press is a screen, and as the material falls in, the screw slowly compresses it, and the liquid comes out the side and the solids come out the bottom. You can kind of see here. This is what the solid material will be when it's done. You can see the plant material is fairly dry when it comes out, so we've extracted all the liquid and solids from the plant.
Thanks for joining us at Deutsche Process. We got you here to talk about one of our biomass extraction pieces of equipment that fits directly into our extraction and oil refinement line of equipment we have here. So today, to start, we have kind of what we call our miniature mechanical extraction unit, which essentially just consists of a 100-gallon mix tank and a liquid solid separator in the form of a screw press. This 100-gallon mix tank, you can load it up with between 50 to about 100 pounds of biomass. You can use different ratios of solvent to biomass, anywhere from, I think we've done some testing with from a 2-to-1 all the way up to a 10-to-1 ratio. Essentially, you can mix for as long as you want, 20 minutes, hour, really however long you want to pull, extract as much out of the flour as you physically see necessary. But as soon as you're done with your mixing step, you essentially just open up a knife gate, drop directly down into this screw press where we separate the solids and the liquids. We have 4-inch and 6-inch screw press models that handle between 50 to 300 pounds of biomass an hour.